Hello class 11, this is your chemistry class and today's class we are going to discuss about thermochemistry. So let's start the class. So we have discussed up to the thermochemical reaction and the process of writing. Actually in case of enthalpy, for exothermic and endothermic reaction there are two signs for enthalpy, that is for exothermic reaction the sign is negative and for endothermic reaction the sign is positive. So that is the process of writing for a chemical reaction. It is either by positive sign or a negative sign. So depending upon that factor, that is the process of writing. Next we will solve one numerical problem, and the numerical problem is given at a particular temperature and pressure. Numerical problem 1, at a particular temperature and at a particular temperature and pressure, heat released due to the formation of heat released due to the formation of 3 mole sulfur trioxide gas. 3 mole sulfur trioxide gas from the reaction between sulfur dioxide and oxygen gas. From the reaction between sulfur trioxide gas and oxygen gas, and this reaction is happening giving out 291 kilojoule of heat. So at a particular temperature and pressure, heat released due to the formation of 3 mole sulfur trioxide gas from the reaction between this will be sulfur dioxide, okay. Sulfur dioxide gas and oxygen gas is 291 kilojoule. This reaction is giving out 291 kilojoule of heat. What will be the change in enthalpies? What will be the change in enthalpies in the formation of in the formation of 4 mole sulfur trioxide gas. 4 mole sulfur trioxide gas. This is the whole question, that is at a particular temperature and pressure, heat released due to the formation of 3 mole sulfur dioxide gas from the reaction between sulfur dioxide and oxygen is 291 kilojoule. Here you see that this is the enthalpy factor, actually enthalpy term 291 kilojoule, but neither positive sign nor negative sign is given here. But you have to understand which sign you will prefer. That means heat released, okay, heat released. So heat released, so you have to consider here the negative sign. As heat is released, so you have to consider the negative sign here. So whenever you are calculating this numerical, you are trying to solve this numerical, this 291 kilojoule will be of negative, okay, negative minus 291 kilojoule as heated release. Sign will not be given, okay, positive sign or negative sign will not be given in the numerical. You have to understand, you have to choose which sign you will prefer, either positive sign or negative sign, depending upon the term heat released or absorbed. Next we have to solve this numerical like it is giving the formation, okay, heat released due to the formation of sulfur trioxide. So what is the reaction for the formation of sulfur trioxide? Sulfur reacting with sulfur dioxide. In the numerical you can see that it is given formation of sulfur trioxide from the reaction between sulfur dioxide and oxygen. That means you will set up the reaction. You will set up the formation reaction by reacting sulfur dioxide and oxygen as it is already given in the numerical body. So sulfur dioxide and oxygen reacting, giving the sulfur trioxide. Now you have to balance it. Sulfur dioxide and one more oxygen recurred, so half oxygen. Now okay. So sulfur dioxide and oxygen gas reacting to produce sulfur trioxide. But in the question, the 291 kilojoule, the term 290, the value 291 kilojoule, it is given for 3 mole. So for 3 mole you have to, for 3 mole sulfur trioxide, okay. For 3 mole sulfur trioxide, the value is given as 291 kilojoule. But here we are getting from this formation reaction, we are getting 1 mole. So we have to convert this equation to 3 mole. So multiply with 3, multiply with 3. Then you will get 3SO2 plus 3 by 2 O2 giving 3SO3. Now you are getting 3 mole of sulfur trioxide, and for this particular reaction, the value is given as 291 kilojoule, and as heat is released, so you will write here minus 291 kilojoule. You will write here minus 291 kilojoule for this particular reaction. Now the question is asking about 4 mole of sulfur trioxide. For the formation of 3 mole of sulfur trioxide, it is given minus 291 kilojoule. So what about for 4 mole of sulfur trioxide? So for 4 mole of sulfur trioxide, how you will get? So from here you can get it that for 3 mole the value is 291 kilojoule, just unitary method. So for 3 mole the value is minus 291 kilojoule. For 1 mole the value is minus 291 by 3. So for 4 mole the value will be minus 291 by 3 into 4. So 3 into 9 is 27. 97 into 4 means 388. Okay, so it's minus 388. Obviously minus sign you have to put here, minus 388, and unit will be same, that means kilojoule. Okay, so this is the process or application of writing a thermochemical equation, process of writing for enthalpy, either exothermic reaction or endothermic reaction. Next question is that one equation is given. Next is if delta H equal to minus 285.8 kilojoule, minus 285.8 kilojoule for the reaction hydrogen plus half oxygen giving water formation reaction, hydrogen gas plus half oxygen gas giving water in the gaseous state, water vapor, or liquid state, liquid given. Okay, hydrogen and oxygen combining giving water. Then what will be the value of delta H? Then what will be the value of delta H for the reaction 2H2O liquid state giving 2H2 plus oxygen, 2H2 plus oxygen. Okay, you can compare this equation and this equation. This equation is reverse of this equation, right? This equation is reverse of this equation. Hydrogen plus half oxygen giving water, and here water is breaking to give hydrogen and oxygen, just reverse of this equation, right? So if here for this reaction if the sign is minus, so for here the sign will be positive, as it is the reverse of this reaction. So if for any reaction the enthalpy value is negative, then for its reverse reaction the enthalpy value will be positive. And what will be that value? Now you can see that if you just multiply this equation with 2, okay, here 2H2O given, here only 1H2O given. So just multiply this equation with 2 and then reverse it. Okay, 2H2O plus oxygen 2H2 you will get after multiplication with 2. So multiply this equation with 2 and then reverse it, then you will get this equation, right? So here sign will be positive as it is reverse reaction, and to get this equation you have to multiply this equation. So if you are multiplying this equation with 2, then you are also multiplying this value with 2. So for this equation the value will be positive 285.8 into 2. This will be the value. So final value is 571.6. okay, 571.6 and unit will be same, that means kilojoule. So you are getting this value for this reaction. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about the next part, that is heat of reaction.